Outdoor adventures can be full of adrenaline and fun as they give us relief from our everyday hectic life, but sometimes a well-planned trip can become your worst day. However, you can tackle any situation with confidence if you have survival skill and right tools with you. There are plenty of survival gear you may find online, but not all of them are good enough in every situation. To help you choose the right survival gear, we have created a list of best survival gear that you must carry. Check them out. Multitool is not an accessory to carry for survival adventure only. You can carry it for everyday purpose as it can help you accomplish multiple jobs with ease in any situation. Introducing the Adventur 3.0 Multitool from MRF, the best minimalistic tool for true survivalists, preppers, hunters, backpackers, hikers, and campers. It is thoughtfully engineered with 440C high carbon hardened stainless steel, which makes it durable to withstand rough usage and ensure its longevity. This tool is so small in size that it can be carried in a folder of your money bag. It is built to be used in any situation. You would think that such small tool can do so many tasks, but it can be used for many basic functions such as axe, wrenches, cord cutter, metric or inch ruler, bottle opener that can help you in any survival situation. The Adventur 3.0 is going through its crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter and you can back them up. Tool that will come in handy in any situation, then the Adventur 3.0 is a good choice for you. Carrying a water filtering system with you in any survival situation is literally a blessing, as fresh water source can become scarce. Introducing Lifestraw, a water filter which can filtrate water from any water source and provide you drinkable water in any survival situation. It uses two-stage carbon filtration system to filter out bacteria, parasites, microplastics, and reduces chemicals like chlorine in the water while improving the water taste, allowing you to drink water directly from ponds, lakes, rivers or streams. It's made from sustainable stainless steel design, making sure it doesn't react with water minerals to give you a fresh drinking water experience. With a durable steel body and sleek design, it weighs only 1/4 of a pound while having a rugged build, which makes it lightweight and portable so that you can carry it anywhere you want. If you are worried about finding drinkable water source in any survival situation, then this water filter is the right choice for you. In any survival situation, headlamp can be the only solution to find your way in the dark and get sufficient light when you need it the most. Introducing the A2s LED Headlamp from Wowtac. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum body and toughened ultra-clear glass lens with anti-reflective coating, this headlamp is durable enough to resist impact from up to 1.5 meter drop and can withstand any weather condition. This headlamp is featured with high-performance Cree XPL V6 LED with smooth reflector and produces a defined small focus light pattern that makes the A2s having a useful spill and flood to optimize your field of vision. This headlamp has 6 customized lighting modes, which are the Firefly, High, Medium, Low, Turbo Mode, and SOS for long-range vision and long-lasting use. It has push-button on and off switch that sits on the right side of this headlamp, enabling one-handed adjustment from 0.3 to 1050t lumens of brightness. The switch also retains memory of your last used mode. This headlamp is powered by an 18650 USB rechargeable 3400 mAh battery that has a quick charging capability and gets charged fully within 4 to 5 hours. In low mode, you'll be able to use this headlamp for up to 4 days, while in the medium mode, you can use it for up to 15 hours straight without any kind of interruption. The LED headlamp has an IPX7 waterproof rating, so you can take this headlamp up to 1 meter underwater or during the heavy rainy days. If you are looking for a portable and powerful light source to tackle any survival situation in the dark, then the Wowtac A2s LED headlamp is the right choice for you. Keeping yourself and your loved ones comfortable and have a good night's sleep is essential for any survival situation, as it helps you to prepare for that situation. That's why you need Titan emergency sleeping bags, a unique and feature-packed sleeping bag that is designed to keep you comfortable in any survival situation. Originally developed for NASA's space program, these sleeping bags are made of original polyethylene material that are reusable, waterproof, and windproof, so that you can use it in harsh situation. Designed to comfortably fit in a single adult, each 36 by 78 inches emergency sleeping bag weighs 158 grams and is tear resistant. It can be rolled and stowed in the included olive drab nylon drawstring bag. Each sleeping bag is designed to help prevent hypothermia and shock by retaining up to 90% of your body heat. While the front side of these survival blankets use the same high-quality metallic layer found in hospital Miller blankets. The backside is coated with unique olive drab color. These survival sleeping bags do not outgas and can also be used for ground cover, distress beacons, sunshades, and even doghouse wall liners. If you want a survival sleeping bag that can keep you safe from any harsh environment, then this is a must-have product for you. You can carry a multifunctional versatile shovel in your RV while going out for any outdoors journey, which can be your real lifesaver for emergency survival situation. Here we introduce the Est Shovel, a feature-packed shovel that can enhance the chances of survival in any situation. The Est Shovel features 18 essential tools for any adventure, so that you can always have the right tool beside you in time of emergency. Its reinforced shovel head is made of 420 hardened steel, and the handle is made of military-grade aluminum that can be assembled very quickly, and with a durable foam grip, this shovel is capable of delivering any tough jobs. It is designed with just the right balance of durability and strength to ensure that you will be prepared for anything during your adventure. This shovel comes in a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack, allowing you to carry it on any trip without any stress. If you want a tool that will increase your chances of survival in the wild by providing an all-in-one experience, then the Est Shovel is for you. After a successful crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo, this product is available online at around $80. This versatile shovel can help you in many ways on the way of your journey and serve multiple purposes. No matter where you are going and whether there will be any survival situation or not, a medical kit is a must to have, regardless in any situation, as it packs some essential medical supplies to help you survive in any survival situation. That's why you need Adventur Medical Kit Sportsman 400, your perfect companion in any survival situation. The Sportsman 400 Medical Kit contains enough first aid supplies for 10 people headed into the backcountry for up to 2 weeks, ensuring you can survive for a long time in any situation. This wilderness first aid kit sets the standard in backcountry care with hospital quality contents like a tourniquet, C-splint, and one-stop trauma dressing for treating injuries and illness ranging from knife cuts to penetration wounds. These supplies are organized into injury-specific pockets using the Easy Care organization system and are listed on the external kit map so you can quickly find out what you need in any emergency. It comes in a waterproof bag to keep the medical items dry and weighs around 2.5 pounds, which makes the perfect carry item for any survival situation. The Adventur Medical Kit Sportsman 400 can be a great thing to have in any survival situation, and you should go for it. Imagine a survival situation without a knife. Impossible, right? A knife is the most important thing to have in any survival situation. Now, meet the Kershaw Blur Black Knife. A knife that can fulfill all of your cutting needs in a survival situation. It comes with a big, slightly recurved 3.4 inches blade that's ideal for multitasking. The blade shape offers both excellent slicing and piercing capabilities to offer you better performance while using. Its high-performance Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel blade steel, while its DLC coating offers more corrosion resistance and enhanced look. The Blur Black's handle is made from durable 6061 T6 anodized aluminum, which makes it lightweight and extremely durable. Its anodized coating creates a colored handle that is scratch-resistant and extra tough. The Blur is equipped with speed-safe assisted opening. A short push on the thumb stud overcomes the resistance built into the torsion bar in the speed-safe mechanism for quick action. It features a reversible pocket clip which allows you to carry it tip up or tip down according to your choice. The Kershaw Blur Black Knife can be your perfect companion on a survival trip that can make your cutting experience convenient in any situation. During any emergencies, you never know which tool can serve you to save your life. It could be a plier or a mere can opener. Introducing the Signal Backpacking Multitool from Leatherman, a product that is specifically designed to meet the challenges occurred in survival situations. Signal is a small tool, but it can function as a plier, wire cutter, knife, saw, hammer, a variety of bead drivers and wrenches, bottle and can openers, safety, and many more. All these features will make you ready for anything when you are in your backpacking trip. The Signal is a lightweight tool that weighs only 1 pound and it is equipped with a clip and a carabiner, which will allow you to clip it on your backpack or your pocket. This tool is made of top quality stainless steel that makes it ultra durable, which can withstand the harshest environment. Small and compact multi-tool that can be used in different situations, then you should go for the Signal from Leatherman. So far, you've got to know about multiple tools serving multiple purposes. But now we are going to introduce you with a single pack of tool, which can save you from carrying lots of separate gadgets individually. Introducing the Vssl Camp Supplies, an essential companion for anyone who loves to explore the great outdoors. It is perfectly packed with all the essential outdoor gear that don't compromise on quality, weight, or valuable pack space. The included gear are blade, compass, wire saw, water purification tablet, and many more, which will surely help you during any harsh environment in the wilderness. This device has a dual mode LED flood beam lantern light which can provide 200 lumen of brightness and illuminate a wide area for about 40 hours, allowing you to operate smoothly in the night. It keeps all of your essential gear in a waterproof case, which keeps them dry in rainy days, so that you don't have to worry about getting your gear wet. The Vssl camp supplies can help you in any emergency situations, making it the best thing to carry on survival adventure. Outdoor survival kit is a must-have carry item in any survival situation, even in normal travel journey. So meet Vssl Traverse Kit, a kit that is packed with survival solutions that can become handy in any survival situation. Traverse Teen Survival Kit has you covered in all 4 of the main survival areas: water, shelter, fire, and signaling, so that you don't miss out on any chances while surviving in outdoors. This kit includes water purification tablet. Each of them will purify up to 1 liter of water. Includes water storage bag, ensuring you always have fresh drinking water. It comes with emergency blanket that reflects 90% of radiated body heat and stretched up to 650% without being torn, so that you can always stay comfortable in any survival situation. This kit features a fire starter, which is waterproof and can produce up to 5,000 sparks, which allows you to start up fire in any place, even in wet conditions. It has a mini slim rescue howler whistle, which can produce 100 decibel sound that allows you to broadcast your location up to 1 mile away. If you are looking for the complete package for any survival situation, then the Vssl Traverse Kit is the right choice for you. So that was all about the survival gear for outdoor. Like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this on your feed.